the zone, moving like a rolling stone. One thing I know is you will get home tonight.
Hey guys, it's a perfect day in London and Kidz is back. Guys, I need your help. Have you heard about Mother's Day? That's right. This is the day that we tell all the mums that we love them. I know. We already tell them that every day. But this time, it's a very special I love you. So I decided to get her a present. I know, her having me is already a present. But this time, I decided to get her a dress. So guys, will you come help me? If you want to help me, click the notification bell, get subscribed, and give this video a big fat thumbs up. And let's go shopping!
I'm the girl who keeps your light on. I'm the only one for you.
Nah, I'm definitely getting her a dress. Look at this. Do you think she's gonna like this? I don't know. Looks pretty good, but I need more fancy. Do you think she'll like that? Wow. Do you think she'll like that? This, I think it's a bit too pink. This looks very pretty. I love the golden bow. I think she'll like that. But this is the best. Did you see? She definitely like that. I think this, I want to try for myself. See you soon. Guys, I just got changed and I think I'm ready for the Cinderella ball. Guys, we got a bit distracted and we still need to get something for my mom. But I think I have an idea. So I thought, why spend all your money on a new dress or anything really when you can do it all by yourself? That's right, we're talking DIY. Move over DIY guys, there's a new DIY queen in town. And that's you. And of course, there's an app just for that. It'll help you unlock your creativity, imagination, and also your fashion skills. You can change your whole wardrobe and display your own fashion channel, and also get your own fan base. This app lets you cut out new patterns, sew on decorations, add different colours, and give them amazing makeovers. Lets you photograph anything you like and turn it into decoration for your top or skirt. Want to feature your cute puppy on your DIY top? Why wait? You can manage your very own DIY channel. Upload videos of your own creation and gain followers. Get ready to take specific requests from your fans. Or maybe you just want to make a present for your mum. Just find some old jeans in the back of her closet and turn them into a pair of fashionable shorts. Or turn an old blouse into a fancy top. Or just decorate a plain t-shirt with the most memorable photo of you both. Take selfies with your new creations and compete in selfie contests. Run your own channel and post videos of your DIY masterpieces. Take requests from your own followers. You might just blow the world away with your fabulous DIY skills while participating in super fun DIY fashion projects and getting ideas for your summer wardrobe. Use your imagination to turn ordinary clothes into OMG to die for DIY outfits. Got a boring dress? Cut it, decorate it, and turn it into a new skirt. And don't wait for someone to do it for you. Do it yourself. Come on, just try. All you need is a pair of scissors, some paper, some fabric colour maybe, and a lot of imagination. And if you need more ideas, I'm going to give you an extra tip. I'm an app girl. I like reviewing apps. However, on this particular occasion, I also like to recommend a fab YouTube channel, and this is Sarah Beauty Corner. Please check out how she turns old jeans into some fab pairs of shorts, decorate t-shirts with super cool pictures and writings. So if you have anything old or too boring, don't hesitate. Use your own creativity. Unlock your fashion design inside and turn them into something new and fun for the coming summer. So, let's start experimenting. Let's start inventing, experimenting, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. Always! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up. And if you want to find out what I actually give my mummy for Mother's Day, don't forget to get subscribed to not miss my other video. And don't forget, unicorns are real and happiness is handmade. Me and Pops are wishing you a lovely day.